Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are going to review the Heatwave action figure from McFarlane Toys. It stands around 7 inches tall. Very bulky chest armor. Meron siyang straps dito, parang hydraulics type para ma-carry niya yung backpack sa likod. I think this is very heavy. And also para ma-power itong kanyang left arm na meron gun or blasters. Tapos itong gun na in-equip ko sa kanya galing yan sa McFarlane Toys na Munition Pack version 2. So let's start with the head. Ganda ng kanyang armor plates. So you have the head, white yung armor, tapos uh, para siyang earth tan yung color ng kanyang plastic. Very nice paint job, very clean, no amount of weathering dito sa suit na to. Tapos may mga textures din yung inner suit niya. Okay, meron siyang yellow eyes, you have the mouthpiece, very large collar, and then you have the backpack, at the back. You have pouches, one, two, three, four, five, six pouches. You have the belt buckle. Tapos, ang ganda rin itong texture ng kanyang suit, protective na suit or gear. And then hip guards, knee armors, and then shin armors. Very cool. Ganda ng design. So, ang gagawin natin dito in the future, magkakaroon tayo ng custom repaint project na isa-swap natin yung head ni Batman and Heatwave. So in terms of yung gustong-gusto ko yung itong left arm niya with the large coil na parang hydraulics din or nagbibigay din ng power para meron, I think ang nilalabas nito maybe some sort of heat gun or heat power. Yan. In terms of articulation, you can move the head around, look up, look down, stretch and up crunch movement side to side. Okay. Hindi siya pwede maikot ng 360 kasi nakahinder tong coil. And then pwede siyang rotate din naman to, okay? Meron ding rotation dito meron ding bend sa elbow pero up to 90 degrees only. Ito more than 90. Ito less than 90 degrees kasi meron siyang extra armor. Okay, tapos kick that far and double jointed knee. Okay. Okay. Kaya pa ba tumabend? Okay, kaya pa. And then ball joint yung paa. Tapos pwede nyo rin, meron din toe articulation. Pero medyo Ayun, meron din toe articulation. Alright, so that's it mga ma'am sir. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.